I will compare the new BMW iX XDAV60 with DSN8. BMW iX XDAV60 has a 109 kW total battery capacity. DSN8 has a 97 kW total battery capacity. BMW iX XDAV60 range of around 701 km. DSN8 range of around 686 km. BMW iX XDAV60 model offer a maximum power output of 544 horsepower. DSN8 model offer a maximum power output of 375 horsepower. BMW iX XDAV60 acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 4.6 seconds. DSN8 range of acceleration from 0 to 100 km in approx 5.4 seconds. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 top speed. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 torque. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 drivetrain. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 motor type. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 wheelbase. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 seats. BMW iX XDAV60 versus DSN8 body type.